Hi, within this section, we're going to focus on SQL knowledge. And within this lecture, we're going to see what SQL really is. So, as you might know, most of the websites actually use databases to store their information. So, databases are used in order to store some data like usernames, passwords, credit card information, personal information of users, or any other data, any other variable that you might think of needs to be stored. So most of the websites have their databases on their server, and we use SQL, we use structured query language in order to write some data or read some data to databases and from databases. So it allows us to interact with the database. So later on, within the following section, we're going to focus on SQL vulnerabilities so that we can find a way to run some SQL codes and retrieve or write data to databases of the vulnerable websites. But before we do that, we have to know how to work with SQL. So within this section, we're going to learn about the fundamentals of the SQL. So I'm going to stop here, and following the next lecture, we're going to start learning about SQL, and we're going to practice writing or reading some data from and to databases.